What is IP address exclusion in Google Ads? Unfortunately, a lot of click fraud happens when it is clicked by your competitors on your ads to deplete your daily budget. This happens quite a lot. Google does have a very sophisticated, they call it the invalid click systems in place, but even then you will get people clicking on your ads. You can either, if you can find the same IP address coming through and you can see that lots of clicks are being made, then you can exclude it, just like a negative keyword. The other way you can also do this is by using third-party software for click frauds, and that will also add an additional layer of security on your account.